How to create a winning business model. Many businesses don't fail because they lack passion or effort. They fail because the business model itself is weak or unclear. My name is Charles Nkwoka, a corporate lawyer and business strategist. In this video, I will show you how to think beyond ideas and build a business model that actually works, scales, and survives real market pressure. What a business model really means. What do you think about? A business model explains how your business creates value, delivers value, and makes money. If you cannot clearly explain how money enters your business consistently, you don't yet have a business. You have an idea. Why most Nigerian businesses struggle? Many entrepreneurs focus on selling without understanding cost, pricing structure, customer behaviors, and sustainability. Revenue without structure leads to exhaustion and collapse. Core elements of winning business model. You must understand your target customer, your value proposition, your pricing strategy, your cost structure, and how profit is retained, not just earned. Value before profit. Customers pay for solutions, not effort. Your business must solve a clear problem better, faster, and more efficiently than alternatives. Pricing with strategy, not emotion. Underpricing out of fear kills businesses quickly. Your pricing must reflect value, sustainability, and growth potential. Scalability matters. If your business only works when you are present every day, the model is very weak. Winning models are designed to grow beyond the founders. Legal and structural alignment. Your business model must align with legal compliance, tax obligations, contracts, and risk management. A profitable but illegal model is a ticking time bomb. Strategic insight that I want to give you now. Strong businesses don't chase customers. They design systems that attract and retain them. If this video opened your eyes, like it. Subscribe for more strategic business insights and share it with a founder who needs clarity. Follow me across all my platforms for practical business and legal guidance. A great idea starts a business, but a solid business model keeps it winning. Thank you for watching to the end of this video.